Bonjour Gautier, it's Carl here. I'm going to try to make a bit of a video, a homemade video, showing how I can straighten some of this wire without using a drill. Basically, I use a vise. So for example, I kind of straighten as much as I can just by hand. And then I kind of hold it with I feed it into the vise, just enough, to close it. Enough wire, just the same length as the vise. And I tighten it, oops, like so, nice and tight. And then I loosen it. I'm just going to rotate it by hand, but it's easier sometimes if you use a set of pliers. You rotate it a little bit, a few degrees, and then you tighten it again. Rotate it again, 5 or 10 degrees. Tighten again. Rotate again. Nice and tight. Loosen it. Rotate again. And you keep doing this until, so for example, this is now straight. It's the same width, so the wider the vise, the better. But even if you have a little tiny vise like this, you could just keep, again, straighten a little by hand, like so. Feed it in, so maybe a third to a half of the previous straightened is sticking out the end. Tighten, rotate, tighten. I'm not doing a very professional job here. Rotate, tighten, rotate, tighten again. And you see what's happened here. And then it may not be perfect, but you could just sort of do that. And of course, you could just keep feeding it in, tightening it, rotating it, tightening it, rotating it, until it's straight enough. And that's what I use. So anyway, bonne chance. C'est une méthode que j'ai utilisée. Je pratique mon français. Et j'espère que ça va marcher chez toi aussi. Okay, à bientôt, and hopefully this works.